Are you struggling to achieve the grades you desire? It's time to turn things around. Many students face challenges when it comes to studying effectively. But don't worry. We've got you covered with these proven study techniques. First, master the art of time management. Plan your study sessions and breaks wisely to optimize your productivity. Next, let's talk about active reading. Engage with the material by highlighting important points, taking notes, and asking yourself questions. Flashcards are a powerful study tool. Create flashcards with key concepts and quiz yourself for effective memorization. Visualize your ideas with mind mapping. Organize your thoughts and connections between concepts using mind maps. Practice makes perfect. Solve practice questions to reinforce your understanding and identify areas for improvement. Collaboration can enhance your learning experience. Join study groups to exchange ideas, discuss challenging topics, and learn from your peers. By implementing these study techniques, you can unlock your true potential and achieve the grades you desire. Follow us on social media for daily tips and updates. Start your journey to academic success today.